Hey everybody, Justin Cena here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to show Shopify inventory by store location with the Kark app. This is super powerful and it might be something that you haven't seen before. It's a key upgrade to your store and your business and your product pages for sure. And we'll see an increasing conversion rate and a much happier customer. This is the exact right way to do it. And most stores simply show the in-stock, kind of alert or button, or show that a product is available to be bought, even when inventory varies by location. You could imagine a storefront having multiple locations, and this can get really confusing when customers want to know where the product is, especially if they want to set up something like local pickup. And customers abandon purchase pretty easily, right? If they don't know which store has the product, if they think there's any type of trust issues, they're just simply going to leave. And we need to avoid that at all costs. This is a great way to do that. And a really popular strategy is to use the Kark multi-location Shopify app. Really, really powerful. I'm going to show you exactly what it does. It's an app that displays inventory by location right on your storefront. It supports local pickup. It even lets customers shop specific locations. We'll go over the shoulder later on in this video. And basically, this app solves a lot of pain points. You could imagine a situation where customers have to constantly contact support, right? Taking up your time and resource and energy asking, which store has this item, right? Which store locally has a specific item. Staff then has to go and check availability across locations. And if they don't do that, right, customers may lose trust. They may get annoyed. They may want to go somewhere else. And then local pickup can become confusing, especially when we add on multiple locations here. Customers may visit the wrong store, they may lose trust, they may have a bad experience that leads to a negative review, and just basically more headaches for your business. You could avoid all of this and do it the right way when you use Kark. Highly, highly recommended Shopify app. You see the link directly below this video. We're going to go over the shoulder. I'll bring it over here right now. This is the Kark multi-location inventory app. You see it's got that built for Shopify badge. Shopify says that it meets their highest standards. Only a small handful of apps get the built for Shopify badge. So you know that it's going to work and work really well. 5.0 out of 5-star review. Perfect 5 out of 5-star review. Over 115 different reviews here. The bottom line is Kark is a must-have app if you want to show product stock by location. If you want to allow for geo-search for the nearest store. If you want to create location filters, you'll be able to do it all. You see over here, there's going to be stock-based inventory determined by store availability. That's what's really powerful about this. I'll show you this live. We're going to have this widget directly on our storefront. You'll be able to customize the inventory widget, color schemes, things like that to match your brand. You could even have the find the nearest store widget, which is really powerful. It literally allows them to search by address. You could see giving feedback in terms of what product is available and where. So this is so powerful for local shoppers. You're going to have the ability to shop right from the store so customers can select a specific store, right? Again, multiple locations here. You could enable that. You could show product availability by location as well. This is such a huge win for customers here, making it so clear, right? Building trust right from the product page. And of course, we also have those back in stock alerts by location so people can be notified when the item they want is at the location that they want, right? Very, very specific here, very, very powerful. Gives the customer full control. And again, you see the link directly below this video. It's highly, highly recommended. We're going to go over the shoulder. You could literally walk through step by step with me. All you need to do, come over here, press the install button. This is going to bring you back into your Shopify store. You're simply going to go ahead and grant permission for this app to install. I'll come over here, click install. And that's going to set up Kark inside of our store. No code needed, no technical skills required. And this will literally allow us to jump right into the dashboard. And I'm going to show you how to get this set up and how to have it running the exact right way for your Shopify store. And you could imagine that you have a multi-location store, right? Maybe you have 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 locations, right? And you want to allow people to start to shop locally and understand inventory based on each location. I'm going to show you how this app does it. First of all, we are inside of our dashboard over here. It's going to be a little bit of a setup guide, really easy for you to go ahead and select your theme and then simply activate the app embed in your theme settings. I already have that set up and I have my inventory widget section over here. And there's a bunch of different widget options. For example, inventory info, which I'm going to show you here, incoming inventory, geolocation. There's also widget settings. We could change things like text, styles, location settings, market settings, cache, collection visibility, even advanced settings like editing widget HTML templates if you want to go ahead and do that. Basically, you have full control here. And of course, we'll want to have our product page widget enabled because this is really the core feature here in terms of our inventory information. And we'll be able to kind of have different options and of course edit these options to determine how we want our widget to look and what it's going to show. There's different templates here. Of course, we've entered in our different store locations as well, so we're able to have that. We could set up all of our different options inside of our inventory info, and then we can kind of go in terms of our actual text inside of text, of course. And then when you're looking for stylings, right, come over here with our stylings. We could do advanced widget. We could change colors and text colors, location notes. We could even add our own custom CSS if we want to get advanced there. Again, full control here. So I have my enabled widget, and I'm going to go to my store. And you'd imagine, maybe you have multiple products, you have multiple stores. We're going to come right over here, click on black leather bag. You see immediately availability based on stores, right? Just because the product is in stock, that doesn't tell the customer the whole picture, right? Imagine if they were going to go to the mall pop-up expecting the product to be in stock. That could be a bad experience. Over here, they're going to see a really close by location with 3 available, right? They're going to go here. Or maybe they'll come over here with 6 available. So they're seeing it immediately. This detail builds so much trust in your store and in your brand, and it helps you convert a ton of customers that want to shop and pick up locally, because we could enable all that directly through this availability widget. This is what we just set up right over here. Right, and we have our styles, we have, of course, our location settings and our text, and we can bold location names, and we could change colors. Just for the sake of it, I'll go to red, and we could do bold location info notes. We could change our icon color. Maybe we want to make it blue, right? Literally full control over all this, and we'll come over here and just save that real quick. I'll come over and I will update my widget right over here, and you'll see that color change. You'll see the text that we changed over here, all visible right here on the site. So really, really easy to do. You don't need to edit any code or anything like that. It's super simple when we have it all set up right here inside of the inventory widget. Now, there are some other things that we could do here as well. I'm going to show you geolocation search in a second. But there's also our location rules. So we could have customer rules in terms of assigning where customers can purchase from. This is really cool. Basically, when we enable this, customers can only complete checkout if a product is in stock at their assigned location. So really, really easy to kind of set that up and have those rules here. Shop from selected location as well. We can enable this to allow for customers to shop from one specific location. Really all the tools that you need for local shopping built into this app. There's also back in stock. You can notify customers when an out of stock product becomes available, but more importantly, available again at a specific location. We have all the different ways to set this up, including the email template over here in terms of how everything's going to look and how everything is going to feel to the customer. Good news, the product you're waiting for is back in stock at the main warehouse. And of course, that's going to update dynamically. That's another feature right over here. There's tagging and meta fields control over here, as well as fulfillment rate. You can see the help and FAQs, and then also be able to set your plan right over here in this section. Highly recommend the Pro plan here. It's going to have everything included, especially that shop from selected location, which is really cool. So your inventory widget, all your options right over here. You can make sure you set up your style so it matches the look and feel. And again, we can go to any product over here. I'll come right back over and we'll go to the tuxedo. Come over here, our widget pops up. Right, our color scheme that we entered in there, right, all that different options in terms of our customization, of course, shows right here. These are our storefronts with the inventory listed specifically. And of course, all of this is built directly into the Shopify product, so we're able to pull it and display it right here front and center. Now I'm going to show you another example. We have over here multiple locations and the ability for the customer to actually type in an address or a location or landmark and see the product availability closest to them. So I'm going to come over here and I'll put in the airport over here. And we'll see it's going to sort over here by distance. So 3.3 miles away, we have high stock, sold out, high stock, sold out, high stock. So they can come over here and look at per distance or by distance, what is closest to them that's going to have stock, right? They don't want to go to St. George's here because they're going to go to a place 13 miles away that is out of stock. They have this information now customized to their location, right? So before we were just showing it on default over here, now we're showing it sorted by availability per their location. So really, really powerful, a way to make very personalized your storefront that kind of takes the engagement with your customer to the next level and builds that trust. Here's another really cool example. I'm over here on Nielsen's Scan and Shop website. Come up over here, we see Choose Store. And this is really, really awesome. You can actually shop the specific local store. You can come over here and select Farmar or Harris Lee. You have the actual options for the Nielsen Click and Collect store. So you can come over here and actually shop our local store right over here and see all of the different products and all the different categories that are available, and of course that we can go and select locally. So that was Kark, the multi-location inventory app. We really just scratched the surface here. There's things like location meta fields, local filters, customer tag restrictions for B2B, incoming inventory, and so much more. This works perfectly with things like fashion, furniture, B2B wholesale. Highly, highly recommended. You see just how powerful it is, but also how super easy it is to get this in your store. No technical skills required. Again, just click that install button. You see the link directly below this video, and you'll be able to jump right in. If you have any questions whatsoever, please don't hesitate to drop a comment directly below this video. I'll do my best to answer each and every single one of them personally, but I hope this video really helps you out in your store. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. I've got tons more e-com videos to help you grow a great business, but most importantly, I'll see ya in my next vidya.